Dream, 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 dream. Dream, dream, dream when I want you. In my arms when I want you. And all your charms whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream. Dream, dream, dream when I feel blue in the night and I need you to hold me tight whenever I want.
All right. The night is still young. Tonight we're gonna draw Wide Awake from Yokai Watch 2. This young, scary. And exhausted Yokai Shadow constantly stays awake. He's responsible for causing others to stay awake, even though they have a huge day tomorrow morning. Like when there's excitement going around, he can only stay up for once a night. He's got plans for, sometimes he stays awake for movie nights, or if he wants to play video games. Here's his Nintendo 3DS. Here's the crescent moon on his tail. Alexa, what is a crescent moon?
The noun, crescent moon, can have a couple meanings. 1. The moon as it appears early in its first quarter or late in its last quarter, when only a small arc-shaped section of the visible portion is illuminated by the sun. 2. A symbol of Islam.
And finished. That is how you draw Wide Awake. Don't stay up for too long, or you might end up like him. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.